Hi, team. Good morning. So, team, see in the last session, uh, we started vehicle operators. We started vehicle supports different types of operators supported by vehicle database. Vehicle support different types of operators. Arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operator, logical operators, set operators, and special operators. Right. Now, for practice purpose, Oracle provided some predefined tables. These are where we can get these tables. These tables we are getting from internet. That file already sent to your mail ID, demo BRT file. I think everybody install these tables in our systems. Right. Now select star from tab. It displays all tables. So select star from EMP. It displays only employee data. Same like select star from DEPT means it displays department data. So employee table contains like employee ID, employee name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, and department number. Right, guys. Select star from DEPT. Salary grade. This is a salary grade. Right, guys. Where class main functionality to filter the data. This is the main functionality of where class to filter the data. Okay. Right, guys. Now, write a query. WAQ means, guys, write a query. Write a query to display who are working in 10th department. My requirement is, guys, the organization who are working in 10th department, those employee records to display. So what is the query? Select start from EMP where DEPT and O equal to 10. Because inside the table, department data is available inside this DEPT and O column. So where DEPT and O equal to 10, then it displays only department tables data. It displays who are working in department 10. Those employee records are displayed. Just a minute, I'm opening my SQL. Okay. So this is our employee data, guys. Now select star from EMT where DEPT and V equal to 10. Only who are working 10th department, those employee records are displayed. Okay. Okay, this is the query. Next one is write a query to display 30th department salesmen. 30th department salesmen I want to display. Salesman is belongs to job column. Salesman is available. Job column is available salesmen. So the employee working in department 30 plus the job equal to salesman. So select star from EMP where DEPTNY equal to 30 and job equal to salesman. Department number equal to 30 and job equal to salesman. Generally, everybody write down in this scenario. Department number 30, comma, job equal to salesman. This is a wrong query because in where class, if you want to check multiple conditions, if you want to check each and every condition, in between you should be use logical operator. Logical operators. Which are logical operators? And or not. Either and, either or. We can use. Not compared for only single columns only. The single condition is checking. Not. Okay. So, my requirement is the employee should be working department number 30 under his job equal to salesman. Here, what we are using? And operator. Okay. No row selected. No employees are there. 30 salesmen, 30 manager. Yes, 30 salesmen is there, right? 30 salesmen is there. But here we got no row selected. Why no row selected? Because inside the database table, the salesmen contains capital letters. You are writing small case letters. That is the problem. So, salesman. But you are asking question me. Sir, you are saying Oracle is not a case sense tool. You can do the practice queries, say the smaller capital. Yes. Queries are not a case sense tool. Queries means this is a query. What about this? This is the data. It is also data, right or wrong? But data is not a case sensitive. Data is not a case sensitive. Inside the table data, exactly which format? Same format should be compared. That is mandatory. Okay, na? Right. Next one is write a query to display who are getting salaries more than 2,000 rupees. We can easily write down this one. Select star from EMP where salary greater than 2,000 rupees. This is you can easily write down. Right? Okay. Next one is write a query to display who are working in. Write a query to display who are working in 10, 20 departments. How to write this one? Ten and DEP dynamic equal to 20. Okay. Enter here. No row select. No row select. Why no row selected? Is it employees are working in 10, 20? Na? Employees are there. But here 10, 20. Right, guys. See, before going to this query, see, while reading this query, everything is good, na? See, select star from EMP where department record 10 and 20 means who are working in 10, 20 employees displays. But here we got no row select. Means here we can use logical operator. Okay, good. But you can decide which is suitable and or not, which is suitable. That is also important. First thing. The second thing is to place logical operators, you should be think logically. Okay. Before going to this query now, we will discuss about the truth tables first of all. Truth tables. Under truth table. What is the truth table? True, true, true. True, false. Under truth table. False. False, true. False. False, false. False. Or truth table. True, true. True. True, false. True. False, true. True. False, false. False. Not table. True means false. False means. This is the truth table. This is called input one. Input one. Input two. Output. Okay, guys. This is. But for not only one input, one output only. That is. Right, guys. Right. Okay. Now, here what right now you are using right now, guys. Here what you are using. And operator right now here we are using. Right? We are using and operator. So check this. First depart number equal to 10. Okay, where the depart number 10? Yes. 10 depart number 10 is available. And depart number 20. Here it is taking depart number 10. 10 equal 10? Yes. 10 equal 20? False. True and false equal to false. Once again I explain. Okay, depart number 10 is taking. Here 10 is taking. 10 equal 10, okay. And 10 equal 20, false. True and false? False. Because we are using AND operator. Okay, first our depart number is 20. 20 equal 10? False. 20 equal 20? True. False, true? Again false. Means by using this logical operator here in this query now, always your condition becomes false, false, false. Anytime condition becomes true? Never. Because the employee is not working in two departments. The employee is working either 10 or 20. Right, guys? Yes. So here, which is suitable here? Or basic. Right, guys? See? Yes. It will display. Understand, guys? Any doubts in this? This is the query, sir. Next one is write a query to display. Sir, where can you use and? Here, previously we discussed one example, guys. Which example here? The employee should be working in department 30 and the job equals salesman. When the both conditions are true, then displays. Because our requirement is to display employee working 30 and his job is salesman. When the both conditions are true, then I want to display. This is. Right, guys. Now, the second one is write a query to display. Okay, Dinesh Kumar. Okay, I can explain that one. What you're asking, I can explain. So, write a query to display who are not working in 30th department. Who are not working that department, I want to display. Not working. That means select a star from EMP where DEPTNO not equal to 30. Means what happens, guys? Except 30, it displays the data. Here we are using not equal to. Now here Dinesh asked me one question. Sir, we write in the query. Write my control, my cursor is in second line. You can modify the second line query, but we cannot go to first line. It is not possible. Okay, na? To modify this first line query, it is not possible. Write the control in second line. Na? Second line you can modify by using the arrow keys. Okay. So, okay, it displays output. But, sir, I want to change this query. I want to change this query. Then what I can do? Here I done some mistake. Then, guys, if you modify this query, just you type ed. Ed means editor. Ed means editor. Enter. Here your query is available. Okay, na? Here you can modify your query. Here you can modify your query and exit. Yes. Save and exit. Yes. Here it is available. So right now this query is available where? Buffer na? Slash execute the buffer query. Okay. Understand na? Simple ed enter, modify your query, save and exit. Then slash. This is the method. But some systems ed buffer is not working due to some file missing or due to some administration problems. So the ed is not working. Some systems. That's why here I'm using. I can copy paste here only. Okay now. If it is opening, well and good. Okay, guys. Right. Right. So the next one is write a query to display. Write a query to display 10, 30th department managers. 30th department managers. 10, 30th department managers. Right. How it is? First, we try to display 10, 30 departments data. Select star from EMP where DEPT and equal to 10 or department number equal to 30. Okay. Now 10, 30 employees are coming. 10, 30 employees are coming. And job equal to manager. This is the query, guys. The employee should be working either 10 or 30 plus and his job equal to manager. Right. Press enter. Right. That one only right now I'm discussing. See, guys, query is correct while reading, and I execute the query. But here I got in yes, Ganesh. So I got this output, but inside this output, wrong output also comes. Clerk also comes. How this clerk comes, right? How this clerk comes? We are writing manager, na? But why the clerk's coming? Means here in this query, it follows operator precedency. Operator precedency, that is called priority of operators. Okay, guys. Now, see, I discuss. Priority of operators. Not only Oracle, guys, any language. First, you can take arithmetic operators. It follows Bodmas rules. Bodmas rule. First bracket goes to bracket. Next to off, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This is called Bodmas rule. Bracket, off, division, multiplication, subtraction. Means in your query, if any brackets are there, first bracket goes to this one. After that, next bracket goes to off brackets. Next slash star. This. Okay. Next one is logical operators. We have three logical operators. We have and, or, not. What the first priority? Not. Next priority and, next priority or. Okay, na? Set operators, no priority. All are same. All are same priority. What are the special operators? First not to, next in, next not to, between. Just like only. This is like understanding. First not in, next in. Next not between, between. Next not like, just like only. This is the priority of order of execution of operators. Order of execution of operators. Now, in this condition, what we are using? We are not using arithmetic operators. Here we are using logical operators in between conditions. What the first priority goes to? Not. Is it not is available? No. Leave it. Next, and. Yes, and is there. First, this pair is executed. First, this pair is executed. Department number 30, job equal manager executed. Yes, department 30, job manager displays. Now this query is executed now. What are the remaining? Or 10th department, all employees are coming. So these are the 10th department, all employees. President also coming, guys. Observe this. President also coming, clerk also coming. Okay. So according to that operator priority, only this pair is executing first. Next, or 10th department, all employees are coming. But my requirement is different. That's why, if anybody asking the written exam, they're asking some queries now. If you write the query, what they're thinking, yes, this is the correct query. But while execution, you will get the wrong outputs. That's why, at the time of writing the query, you can think logically what write the query is correct or not. Right, guys? Now, okay. But my requirement is, first I want to taking data from 1030 employees from database table. This is my requirement actually, right or wrong? First I am taking data from 1030 from employee table. Based on the output, I want to check manager. Okay, now in this scenario, we have an assumption is there off bracket. It overrides all operators priorities and it executes first. That is the off bracket main functionality. It overrides all operator priorities and it executes first. What is the meaning of this one? Suppose see here, A equal to 5, B equal to A equal to 10, B equal to 5, and C equal to 10. Okay. My requirement is result equal to A plus B by C. A plus B by C. This is my requirement. So fine. What is output, guys? A plus B by C. means 10 plus 15 by C. By 5. But generally, what are you thinking, guys? Result equal to 25, na? 25 by 5? 5. 5 is the output. We are thinking. Because according to operate, according to that our knowledge, what you are thinking, A plus B, this is wrong actually. Or else, according to this operate priority, what happens? First B by C. What is B by C? B by C means 15 by 5 means 3. 10 plus 3, 13 displays. Actually, this is the according to operator priority, 13 is output. According to operator priority, 13 is executed, 13 is the current output. 13 is the current output. But my requirement is, first I want to do A plus B actually. Based on this output, divide by C. This is my requirement. In this scenario, what I do here, same expression here, I write down, I put the brackets. I put the brackets. Then what happens? First, not B by C. First, A plus B is executed. Now 10 plus 15, 25. Okay, na? 25 by 5, 5. Now you will get that 5 output. Understand, guys? This is the operator priority and off brackets main functionality, how it is working. Here I am discussing. Okay, na? Yes. Actually, B by C is the first priority according to that system. But I change. I put the brackets here. Now first, this one is executed. Same like here also. Here, what I do here? What I do here? Where I want to put the brackets? Where I want to put the brackets? This one. Yeah, now the first priority goes to 1030 employees are coming. Based on that, manager's data, it displays. Now you will get the correct output. Right, guys? This is the query, guys. That's why we are discussing operator priority and also truth tables. Okay. Right, guys. The next one is, so write a query to display who are joined after 81 years. After 81 years, who are joined? This is my requirement. Date of joining is available inside this hire date column. Okay. Select star from EMP where hire date greater than 81. Who are joined after 81? Who are joined after 81 means? Then here, inconsistent data types, expected date, but got the number. Expected date means hire date is which data type? Date data type. Hire date is date data type. Right. But we are compared with number. You are compared with right now number. Yes. Now you should be compared the date one. So how to write now? We know Oracle default date format. We know DD MON by Y. DDMONYY. So here who are joined after 81 year. After 81 year means 31st December. 31st December 81. Yes. Two employees are there after 31st December 81. Okay. But the same query we can write with different methods. Now, this is a basic method right now I'm discussing. The latter we discuss by using between operator, by using to-char function, we can write the same. Okay, na? Right. Where height greater than 31st December 81. After 31st December 81, all employees are coming who are joined. Next one is write a query to display whose employee numbers are matched with 7788, 7902, 7369, and 7839. Right, guys. So select star from EMP where depart number equal to, sorry, employee number equal to 7788 or employee number equal to 7369 or employee number equal to 7839 or employee number equal to 790. I want to display these four employees records. Yes. Enter. Now here you get the output. Okay, Dawson update is not available because we deleted now Dawson update. Okay. I change this employee number 752. Yes, guys, three records are displayed. Yes, guys, three records are displayed, guys. Now, okay, output displays. But thing is, in where class we are write down how many conditions? Four conditions. See here in where class, when the number of conditions are increased, when the number of conditions are increased, then our query execution performance is decreased. Our query execution performance is decreased, guys. This is. In this scenario, we want to reduce number of conditions. To reduce number of conditions, then we try to use special operators. Special operators to use. Special operators are used to decrease. First of all, are used to increase the are used to decrease number of conditions in where class. Next one is by using special operators. By using special operators, it improves the performance. While executing. while executing the code. By using special operator, it improves the performance while executing the code. Right, guys. While executing the code. See one example. Guys. Same example, above example. So select star from EMP, where employee number in we write out 107839 7902 7369 and 7521. What you are using, guys? In operator right now we are using. In operator. In operator right now we are using. In operator. Right. The first operator is in operator. What is in operator? Used to compare given list of given fixed list of values. And also, it supports all data types. Supports all data types. So this is the example, guys. Okay. Okay. Next one is not in operator. Next one is not in. Opposite. Not in means opposite. So used to compare other than given list of values. Other than given list of values, and also it supports number and date values. That is, it supports number and date data types. It supports. It supports all data types. Right. See an example. Write a query to display whose names are not matched with Smith, Allen, and Ford. Smith, Allen, Ford. Whose names are not matched with Smith, Allen, Ford. Where E name not in Smith, Allen, except these three remaining employees are displays. Okay. This is called not in operator. Not in, except this. Remaining records are displays. Next one is between operator. Between operator. This operator used to compares the data within the range. Used to compares the data within the range. Right. Within the range. And also, it supports number and their data types. Actually, character also supported, but you will get wrong output. Queries executed by using characters, you will get wrong output actually. Okay, na? But if you want to see the proper outputs, proper queries, these two data types supported, number and data types. See an example. Write a query to display who are getting salaries 1,000 to 4,000. This is my query, guys. 1,000 to 4,000. So simply we are saying select star from EMP where share between 1,000 and 4,000. This is between operator. First you write down lower bound value, next you write down upper bound value. Lower bound value, upper bound value. That is the syntax. Okay. Lower bound value, upper bound value. That is syntax. So lower bound value should be less than upper bound value. Compulsory, guys. This is the rule action. That is it. Should be less than upper bound value. So that's the lower bound value, upper bound value. In between, we can use AND operator. Yes, the employees are coming. 1,000 to 4,000 who are getting, all are coming. 1,000 to 4,000. Okay, guys. But I have one doubt. Anybody can tell. One employee getting exactly 1,000 rupees, sir. Or else one employee getting exactly 4,000. That employee record displays or not? One employee record displays exactly. One employee is getting exactly 1,000. Or one employee is exactly getting 4,000. Those records are coming or not? No? Okay. I got the replies yes, no, yes, no. Right, guys. See. Yes. See, here what happens, guys? Here what happens? See, guys. Between 1,000, 4,000. Means between 1,000 to 4,000 I want to display. 1,000 to 4,000 I want to display. Between 1,000 to 4,000 means 1,000 also coming. 4,000 also coming. Okay. Suppose here in this example, one employee salary right now how much? 3,100, na? I change 3,100. Is it displays or not checking? Displays. Right or wrong? Yes. It displays. Means this is important, guys. Actually, this is a logical question. Actually, note between operator, it includes lower and upper bound values. This is important, guys. It includes lower and upper bound values includes. Then one interview question is there. What is the output of this command? 4,000. What is the output of this command? Guys, 4,000 and 1,000. Tell me, guys, what is the output? Is it queries executed? So most of the people they are saying the salary is displays 1,000 to 4,000 to 1,000 employee records are coming, or some guys are they write on error. Okay, but see here, no row selected, not error. No row selected. This is the answer, guys. Remember this one. Because LTO directly not asking 1,000 to 4,000. 1,000 to 4,000, you know already, right or wrong. You already practiced, you know that output. But they're asking this type of questions actually. That's why while practicing, you try to give different inputs, different ways. Then what is the execution of that query? You try to do. That is a practice action. Practice means right now in this session, what I am saying, what I am discussing, that queries now you can do copy and paste. That is not like practice, guys. You can input different types of inputs you should be give and find out the answers and write down on book. What do you get the output? This is the practice action. Okay. Because my queries is directly executed, no problem at all. Because here also executed, na? My queries execute successfully. But you can execute my queries as well as you can execute with your own logics, own inputs. Okay. Right. So no row selected. Next one between not between operator. Next one is not between operator. Not between operator. So this operator used to compare the data other than given range. Other than given range. And also here also it supports number and date data type supported. See an example, guys. Write a query to display who are not joined in 1981 year. Who are not joined in 1981 year. Who are not joined in 1981 year. Right. So select star from EMP where higher date not between. Who are not joined 81 year, na? So where higher date not between 01 January 81 and 31st December 81. It's a very nice. 01 January 81 and 31st December 81. So except 81, remaining year samples coming. Right or wrong? Now, see guys, I ask one question. One employee exactly joined 1st January 81. One employee joined exactly 1st January 81. Is it employee coming? One employee joined exactly 1st January 81. Is it employee displays? No. Not displays. Not displays. Because note, not between operator, it excludes lower and upper bound values. It excludes lower and upper bound values. That is the query text. Lower and upper bound values. Yes, yes, Lakshmi, that is. Yes. Okay. This is the query guys. Not been operated, it excludes lower and upper bound values. Next one is like operator. So this operator used to compare the data based on given pattern, and also it supports character values. It supports character values. What do you mean character values means? If any value put in the single quotes, that value is number, character, data, what it may be, it is available in single quote, that is a character data. So that type of data, it compares. This is called like operator. Okay, guys. Also, it supports two wild characters. One is percentile. Next one is underscore. Underscore. What is the meaning of percentile? Percentile means any character it represented. Underscore represented one occurrence, one or more occurrences. What is the meaning of these occurrences? What is the meaning of any character? These things we'll discuss the coming session, guys. Okay, na? Like is also like operator used to compare the data based on the given pattern. It compares the data. Okay, na? What it is we discuss coming session, guys. Right. So any doubts, guys? Any doubts in today's session? Okay. So do the practice, guys. Do the practice, guys. Yes, yes. Yes, Pushpesh. Somewhere means Pushpesh that is given by Oracle database. Okay, na? So some people are they put in the internet, just we are copying it. Okay, na? Right. Yes, Prashant. Okay. Thank you, team. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Pushpesh. So are you joined video sessions, regarding sessions? Ahmad? Muhammad? Thank you. Thank you, sir. So that is a better actually, Muhammad. Not only now, if you join the record sessions, na, that is, I think you already missed one session previously, right? Yeah, that's why. Means if you have the record sessions, na, that is better actually. That's why I suggested to join the record sessions. Okay, right. Yes, Madhavi, tell me. Yes, Madhavi, I already sent one setup file to mail. You can do that. You can download that setup file and install. Okay, Muhammad, just you remind me next session I can give. Okay, na? Because today somebody is left, na? Yes, Lakshmi, once you complete this operators concept, na, then I can send one query sheet. Okay. Yes, Madhvi. See, Mohammed, please check my daily what I send that to notepad files. In the notepad files, the setup file also is there. Okay. Just you can find out 3 days before. Today also I can attach. Okay. So Madhvi, just a minute. Okay, just a minute, Madhvi. I give that permission to you and share your screen. Just a minute. Maximum RR instructions are completed because I give that a separate session. Some people are joined in that session. They completed their discussions. I think you don't have that time now. You don't have that. Okay, now share your screen, Madhu. Yes, yes. Yes, today I can send again a setup file, Ganesh. Sure, Ganesh. Today also I can send. So, okay. You can do that G drive. Huh? You have to install G drive. Okay. Oracle Home contains invalid character. That is okay. Click on the OK button. What they provided actually. See, click on that. You can use yes. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. So go to the back button. Click on the back button. Using existing use virtual account, use create Windows user, use built-in account. Last one you can choose. Okay. Yes. Yes. Click on yes. Same. Curriculum contains invalid characters. Back button. Again back. You are choosing enterprise edition. Okay. Again back. Single instance database and okay. Do one thing. Close this. Minimize this one. Minimize this window. Installation window minimize. Minus button. Click on the minus button. It is minimized. The top of the window. Click on minus button. So you unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Minimize this window.
Understood. Sorry, sir. Missed it.
I think I didn't see. I just oh yes yes. Click on that.
Sir? Yes, sir. Sir.
But I didn't see your updated screen. Close the screen again, share it.
Sir.
Close your sharing screen. Stop your sharing screen again. Now I can see. Okay. But I didn't see.
Yes, sir. I had opened.
Just a minute. Okay. You have that any desk in your system?
CDE, sir.
Any desk software in your system?
I didn't understand.
Please check and it is only 2 minutes to install that any desk. ANYDESK.
On Chrome, sir.
This is the first time to install or already you installed already?
No, sir. This is the first time.
First time only, na?
Yes, sir. Sir, the technique
Any desk can install.
no, sir.
So you got one ID.
Um, I didn't understand, sir.
No. Once installation is completed, click on that any desk and you will get one ID actually. That is 9 digits number you will get. Tell me that number.
Sir, for installation of any disk, we should have to use the Chrome only, sir.
Sorry.
ఎన్ని డెస్క్ అనేది క్రోమ్ లోనే కదా సార్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాల్సింది
Not installing.
నాట్
No, is it installed?
ఎస్ సార్
Okay. Click the short box in that ID number.
Sir, I didn't get any ID numbers.
Click on accept and update. Okay. Now, yes, already setup file is downloaded now. Just click on the setup file. Close this browser. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So just a minute.
Okay, sir.
397 397 68. Six 681 859
Yes, sir.
859. Do one thing, accept here, green color. Click on the accept.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is your installation file, right? We are installing this one.
Yes, sir.
So I sent one setup file also. Do you download the setup file, Madhu?
Sir, I didn't, sir. This I'm saying for downloading on this one.
The one thing, open the mail. Open your mail. What is?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So type my name in the search box. So Sarma.Naresh IT. SCRMA. Sarma. SAR. SAR. Naresh IT, enter. Right, enter. Opens.
From Mario side, I got some files.
Okay. No, I sent already daily notes I sent.
Yes, sir. I'm getting it.
Where you get that?
Uh, on Oct.
This is Google Classroom.
Yes, sir. From Mario side, I'm getting class notes.
Just a minute. I'll check my system.
Okay, sir.
So, what's your mail ID?
Madhavi side, @gmail.com.
Madhavi. Madhavi Sai. Divan.
Yes, sir.
I think you didn't give that mail ID. That's it.
Oh, I had already informed this, sir.
That's spelling. Divan. Madhavi Sai.
Recording stopped.
So now I send the documents. Okay. Just send a mail.
Doing it. I didn't get you.
Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
So now here I'm attaching today class notes.
Yes, sir.
I need the setup file also. Okay. No? So I'm attaching the file. Attach. Yes, Lakshmi. Now check your mail.
Yes, sir. I got
Yes, yes. That one only. Just open that.